Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make jerk lobster easy guide. Begin by trimming and splitting lobster tails so seasoning penetrates. Make a vibrant jerk paste using scallions, Scotch bonnet, allspice, and soy for depth. Marinate at least 30 minutes to allow flavors to meld. Preheat a hot grill, oil the grates, and sear shells first to lock juices. Finish with a butter glaze and a squeeze of lime for brightness. Start by making the jerk paste. Blend scallions, garlic, ginger, Scotch bonnet, thyme, allspice, soy, vinegar, and a touch of brown sugar. Coat lobster meat evenly and place in a shallow dish or resealable bag. Chill for 30 to 60 minutes so the acids and spices tenderize the meat. Pat the shells dry before grilling and let the lobster come closer to room temperature for more even cooking. Preheat the grill to medium-high and oil the grates to prevent sticking. Place lobster shells down, meat facing heat, and cook until you see clear grill marks and the meat turns opaque. Flip carefully and baste with butter or reserved marinade toward the end to avoid burning. Use an instant read thermometer reading 140 to 145 degrees for ideal texture. Rest briefly, then finish with lime and fresh herbs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.